Hey, what's going on YouTube? This your boy, Tito Run the Jobs the Rats. I'm gonna rap to my favorite instrumental song of the 80s by Kenny G's Songbird. I love this song so much. It is such a relaxing, vibrant song. I will play it for you all right now, okay? Man, Kenny G playing that saxophone. Play it, Kenny. Oh my God, this is so relaxing, man. I love Songbird so much. This is such a very great, relaxing instrumental song by Kenny G. Kenny G did the damn thing playing that saxophone in this song and making this song more relaxing, more vibrant, and more awesome as fuck. Kenny G is the fucking man. Back to the music. Okay. I'm feeling his saxophone right here, y'all. I'm enjoying it, y'all. Man, this is the type of song that will play in the mall, in the elevator, and even at Barnes and Nobles. This song is so relaxing and vibrant and unique too. And y'all see me feeling this song because I love this song so much. It keeps me in my relaxing mode. I feel like I'm on the comb out listening to this song. This song is the greatest song that Kenny G ever made. And I love this song so much. It's so fucking relaxing. I feel like I'm in heaven right now with Kenny G playing the saxophone real great in this song. Man, I fucking love this song so much, y'all. Back to the music, okay? Play that sax, Kenny. I fucking love this song so much, y'all. Man, oh man, Songbird by Kenny G is one of my definitely favorite all-time instrumental songs ever. I love this song so fucking much. It's so vibrant and so fucking relaxing too that I feel like I'm in heaven right now hearing Kenny G playing that saxophone in the song. Songbird is definitely one of my all-time favorite songs ever. When I get married someday, I will ask the DJ to play this song, the original version by Kenny G, for me and my future woman to dance to. This song will make a great wedding song for me and my woman whenever I meet that special woman in the future. Songbird is one of the greatest songs that Kenny G ever made. I fucking love this song a lot. I will never get tired of playing this song. This song is so relaxing, cool, vibrant, and awesome as fuck. And it rocks too. Kenny G is the fucking man, and he's the greatest saxophone player of all time. No cap. Anyways, y'all, this your boy, Statista Running Jazz Rats. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can receive more reaction videos from your boy, Ace. Anyways, you all, take care, be blessed, and do not forget to treat people the way you want to be treated, and stay positive and remain positive forever. I see y'all soon. Y'all take care. Y'all have a wonderful, great day. Thank you all so much.